Bebe,
Po, nanay.
ano po ito?
Pastillas.
Wala, may I see? Oh, pastillas. Masarap po ito.
May papay sim, mamay sim, mamay sim.
Tagi ka.
No. Next, no, kasi no.
Didit palita.
Kan, yang
Iyang. Pinalit ka inutang.
pinalit.
Do you want me to help you?
No.
Maaram ka na?
I am a big helper. Mm-hmm.
I think I'm going to eat that.
No.
I'm going to eat that. Kuda mo na naman very good. Lahanan very good pakitaak. Wow. Pakita lalagit very good din nanay. Wow. Usa pa. Wow. O siya may pastillas. Sino hinatagan yung pastillas?
Mami,
Ano may pastillas? Nakaano ka?
ako very good.
Wow. Basta may very good. Natagan it kay good job.
Very good.
Tatagang nga dagat pa love man.
Alright, very good.
High school? Dapat always very good at high school. Eh, para makaka-honor, diba?
First honor.
First.
First, may kain ko yan ang kumida.
Kasi rin, kagagaling talaga. Basta very good, nakakabasa, nakakasurat, good boy.
Watercolor ah.
Nagkukulor.
Watercolor.
Watercolor. Oh, magaling talaga eh.